This is the brief on Tripo 3D AI. Trusted by heavyweights like Sony and Tencent, this powerful AI platform completely eliminates the massive learning curve of 3D modeling, letting absolute beginners generate and animate pro-level assets in seconds. First, let's look at creation. Tripo's text to 3D and image to 3D tools generate clean, structured geometry incredibly fast. It's honestly like having a Star Trek replicator. You just describe a steampunk revolver or upload a quick sketch, and boom, it materializes perfectly. Plus, there's this really cool magic brush feature that lets you selectively tweak textures, like swapping a character's armor color without messing up the rest of the model. Second, now that you've created a model, how do you actually make it do something? Historically, rigging, building a digital skeleton so a model can move, was an agonizingly tedious chore. While Tripo automates this instantly, letting you snap on ready-made walking or running animations. It really makes you wonder, with AI effortlessly spitting out clean skeletons in seconds, is the era of the manual rigging specialist officially over? Finally, we move from digital motion to real-world utility. Tripo uses intelligent segmentation to slice models into separate parts, which is absolutely crucial for 3D printing, and it exports to major formats like FBX, OBJ, and STL. The platform claims it cuts costs by 50% and saves 90% in time. That's fantastic for the pros, for sure. But the real revolution here is democratization, because the free tier literally lets anyone turn a wild idea into a printable object right on their lunch break. Ultimately, Tripo 3D shatters the technical barriers of 3D design, transforming a highly specialized skill into an instantaneous, accessible tool for anyone with an imagination.